value.h, int main, int dividend, divisor, quotient, and remainder. Printf, enter dividend, close, scanf, %d, modulo d, and %dividend. Printf, enter divisor, scanf, and %divisor. This is a comment, computes quotient. Quotient equal to dividend, symbol, divisor. Computes remainder. This is also a comment, remainder equal to dividend, modular, divisor. Printf, quotient, printf, remainder, and finally return 0. The output is enter dividend 25, enter divisor 4. The quotient is 6 and remainder is 1. In this program, user is asked to enter two integers, dividend and divisor, which is stored in variable dividend and divisor respectively. Then the quotient is evaluated using division operator and stored in variable quotient. Similarly, the remainder is evaluated using modulus operator and stored in remainder variable. Finally, the quotient and remainder are displayed using printf function. Thank you.